On today's episode of I'm Rachel Paul.
It's $700. I thought it was $600. Damn.
Cause you're Paul.
Hey beauties, it's Rihanna and today my hair needs a trim. But before we get there, I need to blow dry my hair. So I was going through Instagram minding my own business and I saw this. And I'm like, a hair straightening tool that can straighten your hair straight from wet hair to dried straightened hair without any middleman. Quick and easy. Take my money. Damn, maybe if you are straightening your hair like every single week, you can girl math your way through spending $700 on any hair tool, but I can't do it.
Cause you're Paul.
But then, while I was going through my hair stash to pack up my things to come together, I came across this in my stash, just sitting down there. I bought this thing like some years ago with the intention of flat ironing my hair, but then, after seeing this video, I'm like, hold up, wait a minute. If I use a blow dryer with this little cheap tool, would I be able to get my hair straight from out of the shower? It was an idea that came to my head, so I'ma try it. What's it called? The Essential Straightening Brush. Straight and go. No electricity needed. Wait. I mean, no electricity needed. It's a brush. We're going to ignore the false advertisement because that don't make no sense. So, let's pull this out of the container. Oh gosh, I hate these packages. Your new straight and go brush should be used on a lightly damp hair. My hair is lightly damp, okay. Once your hair is damp,
separate into manageable sections of around 2 inches wide
and clamp the hair straight brush gently onto your hair, starting from the root. Use with your hair dryer. I was just confused, like, isn't it going to mention a hair dryer anytime soon? My hair it's less than damp. It needs a little more damp. And then I'm going to add my blowout cream. Just a little bit.
And a little shea butter to help seal in the moisture and add a little extra heat protection in.
Alright, it's about 2 inches thick. Let's plug this in. Let's see if this is a manageable. Right. Oh my god. Alright. You know what? Let's cut this in let's cut this in half. Just for the first section. Alright. Alright, this should be manageable. Let's try it. Ready? Okay. Clearly, I can't hold it that way. Alright, let's use this hand. So the tool in my left hand and the blow dryer in my right. I know you saw nothing happening, I promise. Oh my lord, I promise you, I am pulling. I am pulling, and this poor brush not moving. It's not moving. Alright. Let's start like further down. I mean, okay, now it's moving. Okay, so that was the ends. So we can move up a little further. Okay, alright. Now we can move up a little further. And then move up all the way to the roots down. It is straight. I wish I could feel it all. Is it like flat iron straight? I don't think so. But actually it does feel like that. That is straight. Well, I've already drawn the conclusion that this isn't time saving at all. Even if it did get my hair straight, it's not time saving. Okay, so let's add some more shape water. Come out this small section. So this brush is not brushing through. It's not moving. I'm pulling, okay? I am pulling, and it's not moving, okay? It's too much friction. It's not working out. If I hold it light, like I'm not really pressing on it, it's brushing the hair. But once I start pressing on it, yeah, this is where we have a problem. So hear me out before we give up on it, all right? Let me try one other method. Let me try blow drying my hair first with my comb attachment, and then I use this like as a finishing touch. You know what I mean? Yeah. Let's see how that works. Feels like I'm actually flat ironing my hair. Alright, so just do little 1-inch sections. I think this is still less heat than a flat iron, you know, because it's not saving time, but the fact that it's not direct heat, although these are ceramic plates and the blow dryer is heating up the plates, so technically speaking, it's direct heat. But it's not as hot as, say, if the plates were getting directly heated. It's like second-hand heat. Hey, I don't know. I'm just testing this out, okay? It's like straightening your hair without straightening your hair. But in terms of how my hair feels, I feel the difference. It's just that these ends need to go. So I've never owned the Dyson Air Straight, but from what I can see online, it doesn't have bristles between the plates. It's just like flat plates, and like there's air pushing through it, and like that is what's getting the hair straight. So of course, a tool with bristles is not an exact dupe. It isn't. But I mean, if I can use this little cheapy tool along with the blow dryer I already own and can get my hair straighter than what the blow dryer will do, I mean, without paying $700, it seems like a win to me. Not a major difference, you know. This is blow dried with the comb attachment side, and this is straightened with the straight and glow. It has the tiniest difference. I mean, I can trim my hair with just the regular blow-dried side, and I don't need to make the extra effort to use the straight and go. If I'm going to be doing extra steps after blow-drying my hair, I might as well go through with a flat iron. I know my ends look like trash, ignore that. But I really like how the straight and go got my ends a lot straighter than just like the regular blow-dried side. Because look, see, blow-dried side, straight and go. You can definitely see the roots. You see this, like the roots on this side is a lot flatter than the roots on this side. It might not look like that much of a difference, but I can feel the difference. Like any good scientist knows, there really is no failed experiment, okay? Only results and answers. And I got my answer. I don't think this is a... Without...
I'm finding it.
It take you that long to find it?
It does.
I have seen where persons with kinkier texture hair try the hair straight and it gave them regular blow-dried results. So I'm not really sure. I would actually have to try the Dyson Air Straight side by side with... Child, that Dyson will have to give me flat iron results for it to be better than just a regular blow dryer. Alright, well, that was the end of my little experiment. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, because my next video is going to be me trimming my ends. A much needed trim. A much needed trim, like. Let's see how far I go. Okay beauties, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and give me a thumbs up if you did. If you're new to my channel and you haven't decided from this one video that you want to subscribe, I think that's a wrong decision. But it's alright, I'm not upset with you. I'll just leave some more of my videos up in the iCards so you can watch more, get more familiar with my channel, and then after watching like 1 or 2 more of my videos, you should realize by then that you actually enjoy my content and it just makes sense you subscribe. Okay beauties, thanks again for watching. Later. Mwah.